Meaning of hearth.
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 Hearth. Hearth refers to the floor of a fireplace or the area surrounding a fireplace where the fire is lit and burns. It is typically made of brick, stone or metal and is designed to withstand high temperatures. Hearth is often used as a symbol of home and family, representing warmth, comfort, and security. As such, it has been incorporated into various aspects of our culture and language, such as in the phrase hearth and home. Overall, hearth is a multifaceted concept that has played an important role in human history and continues to hold a special place in our hearts and homes.